victory for customary marriages, the Apex Court has ruled that agreements entered into on how assets will be handled prior to couples marrying under customary law may not be disregarded should the marriage later be converted into a civil union. The judgment comes after the Pretoria High Court last year found Section 10.2 of the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act to be unconstitutional. This section permits monogamous couples in a customary marriage to convert their union into a civil marriage. Majid says such a provision was meant to place customary marriages on the same footing as civil unions.
The majority judgment, which I shall call the first judgment which I've written, with Dambuza A.J., Goosen A.J., Nhlanhla J., Tiki J., and Theron J. concurring, declines to confirm the High Court's order of constitutional invalidity for the reasons advanced below. The first judgment begins by emphasizing the transformative purpose of the Recognition Act. That act was enacted to remedy the historical non-recognition and marginalization of customary marriages and to place them on an equal footing with civil marriages.
This judgment by the Apex Court comes after a spouse approached the Pretoria High Court citing the invalidity of Section 10.2 of the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act. After 8 years of marriage, the couple decided in 2019 to change their customary marriage into a civil union and in the process signed an antenuptial contract. Having concluded the civil marriage in 2021 without dividing the joint assets created by the customary marriage, the husband approached the court seeking a divorce. In response, the wife pleaded that the antenuptial agreement entered into during the transition period from customary to civil marriage be declared invalid, or in the alternative, the entire provision in the Recognition of the Customary Marriage Act. The High Court last year then found Section 10.2 invalid. On the contrary, the Constitutional Court has argued that transitioning to a civil union does not nullify the customary marriage, meaning that asset agreements entered into prior to the customary marriage remain.
If the customary marriage is out of community of property with an ANC, the civil marriage will not be in community of property. It will be out of community of property in accordance with the ANC, which regulates the parties' marriage. The converse would also, of course, be true.
Majid argues that retaining the validity of the entire Recognition of the Customary Marriages Act transforms customary unions from a system that traditionally subordinates women to one that through legislative intervention formally empowers them with the rights to property, status, and equality. For Newsroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Junior Khumalo at the Constitutional Court.